Hi Spicy fam, welcome to the best luxury investment in the mountains of San Isidro del General Cerro Chirripó. This unique 3-acre estate, it's coming to the market with Spicy Life Real Estate for $1.2 million. Yes, for $1.2 million, you can buy the best retirement home in the market. Now, it cannot only be retirement, it can be family vacation, it can be rental income. If you hire me, I will help you to make this a real profitable Airbnb. Why? Because it's what I do. Here, let's check this amazing opportunity. Entering from a green plant, super high, slab wood, exotic, amazing details. We enter into the heart of the house, the center of the space, where the living room gives you a full connection for you and your family to enjoy our Spicy Life Global videos. The high ceilings and wood finishes make this exotic, beautiful, luxury, tropical, but real well defined. As we move in, we come right here to my favorite space, the kitchen. Yes, this is a fully top chef kitchen. Look at the granite. Right here is where you or your wife will be cooking for your guests, your family, making memories, making people happy. Wood cabinets, absolutely perfect to bring that nice accent of Costa Rica. Every single window you are watching flowers, birds, or butterflies. And yes, you can come here and keep your bakings. Your bakings are important for the cookies, the cakes, and the bread. But this amazing dining, one slab table, it's just essence in the house. We have right here beautiful door, ceiling, floor, looks, tinted windows that overlook at the jungle. It's total private. Nobody will never live there. And I really love the other space that we can transfer from this main area to this open outdoor indoor space. This is a space where you can come, read a book, play your board games, make your puzzle, or I call it a frequency room because from this room you can recharge with the river sounds. It's absolutely perfection. Everything is enclosed here with mesh, so there's no mosquitoes or there's no bugs coming in. This is the perfect home. I absolutely love how everything flows. Let's go and check the spaces where everything happens. Relaxation, peacefulness. Let's go and tour the bedrooms. Wow, walking through this luxury tropical estate makes me feel like a king. Talking about a king, let me show you the master bedroom. It's master because it's total perfection. As we go in, we enter into this beautiful and magical space. Isn't this the best? It has sliding doors when you can wake up in the morning listening to the birds and watching the Chirripó Mountains view. There's no interference. It's absolutely perfect. ACs, beautiful lighting, and we get here to this super ultra luxury washroom. I even look more beautiful. Do you want to look more beautiful? Buy this home now. Look at the lighting perfection and it gets better. Yes, half bathroom, entire walk-in closet right here for you to put cute when you're gonna go dining. Nice bathroom, a nice little cabinet, and voila. Look at this indoor-outdoor shower. Yes, absolutely amazing. Look at the accents. We have 1, 2, 3. Yes, we thought when building this house, we thought on you. And now, if you wanna get super spicy, you have the outdoor shower as well. You can use this outdoor shower that is surrounded by plants and butterflies when you come from the river, or you can only have it for you. We can always add a sauna. This is what I'm talking about. Let's go and tour the other beautiful parts of this amazing tropical estate. Remember, give us a call because this is unique in the market. This is located in Pérez León, San Isidro, above sea level, so always we'll have cooler temperatures here. Yes, I love how the master bedroom is by itself. And on the other side of the house, we have the 2 extra bedrooms. Remember, this is a tropical luxury investment, 3 beds, 2.5 baths. Look this half bath. Oh my God, look at these tiles. There's so much colors, so much textures, so much love and living, and on this amazing space. This is actually what I love. Look the lighting, it's amazing. We even have access to look into the beautiful birds, beautiful flowers that connect to this amazing vanity. I mean, like, look at this, luxurious at its max. From here, we enter into another bathroom and shower. I mean, look at the tiles, look at the details, the accent. It's total perfection. This room has another vanity that has access to the other bedroom. Look, I mean, isn't this perfect? Look this amazing extra bedroom. Look at the terrace right here. It's just lovely. And you can watch to the river and the birds. Now, when you're done at night or in the morning and you want more privacy, you just can come and put the blenders down. These blenders are total electric but are manual as well. This is the home of your dreams. Hit that button. Imagine your kids here, live in connection to nature, how it should be. Spicy life, luxury properties with love and positivity for the world. And as we all know, most of the time in the houses in Costa Rica, we spend them in this area. Look at this balcony. If a house has a ugly or non-functional balcony, I don't like it. But this is perfection. Why? Because it's wide. You are right here only watching the mountain, you're watching your garden, you're watching your birds, and it has a big right here porch that covers the rain. Many of the porches right now are too small, but this is perfection. As we walk, you can read a book, sit here, or enjoy your life forever. This is Costa Rica. This is luxury at its finest. Are you a dream and garden lover? Let's go, because we're gonna go watch the best landscape garden in Costa Rica that can be yours with Spicy Life. Give us a call to live happy forever in San Isidro, Pérez León, Costa Rica now. We are now, I just teletransported to Lake Tahoe. I'm just kidding. Look at this. Wow, right? I mean, like, this is so unique. Let me show you, because right here, it's the property. It's beautiful. On the front side, we have another acre. Yeah, that can be built if you want to add a house or a guest house. But yes, it's one of my favorite things. I love flowers and garden. Look at this. This property has the most beautiful landscaping in Costa Rica as well. You will find absolutely all type of flowers, from yellow to red, blue. It's perfection to the max. Bismarck palms, sunflowers, bananas, pineapple, I mean, you name it. Another amazing thing of this beautiful garden is the boulders. It has a set of boulders that give electromagnetic vibrations to the property. It's just amazing. Are you a garden lover? Because if you're a garden lover and you like nice things, there is only one property like this in all Costa Rica. I tell you because it's what I do. I visit properties every day in Costa Rica, and I have even visited properties in many places around the world. But properties like this are unique, and this is the only one of its kind in Pérez Celedón, Costa Rica. Look, we even have, wow, spicy fam. Make sure to hit that button, subscribe and comment, but more than that, send me a message to come and see this property. Now, my recommendation is to book a showing with us, and we'll show you this estate, because even if we make it look nice on the video, this is from another world. There's nothing better like this. And remember, I tour properties every day. There is no other property like this. I'm telling you now, come and buy this property, because there is no other property like this. Put your dollar smart, put your dollar right, and live happy forever with the Spicy Life Global Family Community. Nobody does it better. This property is functionality, the name of the game. We have a giant carport for several cars with camera, security, everything is open, and there is a good, amazing space below the house that is a giant warehouse where you can put the cars on the roof, or you can do an art studio or a gym. This part right here, it's a giant space under the house for you to get creative. Even if you're moving from states and you need to put the things in right here, this is an amazing space. So many fruit trees, so many flowers, so many birds. This is like story. Wow, it smells so good. This is like a storytelling. But to end the storytelling, yes, this house has something special. Special like you. It has a bonfire area so you can unite, because at night it gets super cool. We are talking that we are right now about a couple thousand feet above sea level. But are you guys ready? This is one of the most magical space. And this can be yours with us. Wow! Are you guys ready to connect to nature? Even this is a good property for your house collection. Call us now, because this magic property, it's available with us now. And remember, the love and the positivity with the flowers and the fruit and the luxury finite asset investment are contagious. Contact us and be part of our family to keep it flowing.